Did you know that there is a single solution to keep track, monitor, and maintain your dynamically aging water distribution assets? Gain premium asset analytical powers and monitoring capabilities in managing your distribution networks by accommodating Tigernix Distribution Solution. Your water distribution operators can easily exploit this solution to maintain the health, performance status, and reliability rate of distribution pipelines effortlessly. It is advanced with pipe leakage prediction tools, a digital twin that empowers asset condition monitoring efforts, simulation technologies and other technology tools that enable success-guaranteed maintenance strategies for your pipe spread. It also houses sustainability and performance analytics tools that ensure that your distribution networks can operate agilely during emergencies or unfavorable events like disruptive sediment blockages. You can manipulate the 3D representation of your variant distribution pipelines to configure pipeline networks based on your water demands, plus learn flow and pressure rates in real time and gain actionable insights in a timely fashion. With the security and resilience models and vulnerability analytical technology of Tigernix Water Distribution, you will never have second thoughts of the compliance and integrity of your distribution efforts and operations anymore. Connect with Tigernix by mailing us to info@tigernix.com.au for more information about this new age water distribution solution.